Good morning to you and welcome to Shooting a Shave. It is Sunday morning here and I need a shave, so let me show you what I'm going to use today. Brush is going to be my Yaqi mixed red handle brush here. Soap today is going to be Kaw Fougere Bouquet. Razor today is going to be the Parker 63C with a feather blade in there on its 7th use, and this is going to conclude my open comb razor October. Let me splash some water on my face real quick. We'll talk about the soap and dump out some of this water here. All right. So the scent notes in this are, I got it written down over here: oak moss, lavender, bergamot, sandalwood, cedar, coumarin, tonka bean, musk, and ambergris. Scent strength on a 1 to 10 scale is a 4. And this soap is super thirsty. I've been shaving with it all week, and you can give this soap a lot of water. It takes tons of water. Locked and loaded. Painted on. First time I was using this, it took me a little longer than usual to build a lather. It took me about 10 minutes to get it to dial it into the consistency that I like it. And now that I've been using it all week, I figured out how to do it a little quicker. And I just basically do what Chris Madden from Another Cut Above does. I just add water into it until it kind of becomes real runny or translucent, and then I build from there. So it might take me a little longer to lather today than usual, so my apologies. I think that's enough water there. Just build from here. Got it running down my neck there. And you don't really need to load your brush a lot with this soap. A little goes a long way. Some soaps, you need to load it quite a bit. And other soaps, like the more thirstier ones, you don't really need to load your brush super heavy. And since I've been using it all week, I tried out, both synthetic brushes and Badger brushes. The only brush I didn't use was my boar brush, which I wanted to see how a boar brush would perform using this soap. And I think so far the synthetic brush is my favorite brush to use. I've had the best results with it. Felt like my other brushes were kind of eating the lather a little bit, but maybe I just didn't load it enough. I don't know. Maybe it's user error. All right, I think that's going to be good. Go ahead and go with the first pass here. So how are you all doing today? Hope you're all having a nice weekend. Hope your shaves are going well. I was supposed to go on a camping trip this weekend with my son. I'm going to take off the soul patch here and rock a stash for November. Yeah, so like I was saying, we were supposed to go on a camping trip. And they canceled it because at the time there was a nor'easter moving up the East Coast. I don't mind camping out in a little bit of rain, but camping out in a nor'easter is a whole nother thing. I'm glad they canceled the trip. All right, first pass is done. So, like I was saying, they canceled the camping trip, and which was a relief to me, because I didn't want to be camping out for 2 days in the middle of a nor'easter. But it already came and went, and it really wasn't that bad, so we could have went on the trip anyways, I think. It only rained through the night on Friday, and it was cleared up on Saturday with a drizzle here and there. So I probably could have went. So what are you guys all doing for November? Are you guys gonna rock beards? Mustaches? Some of you gonna do nothing? Decided to go with a mustache. I've never just had a mustache before. I've always had either a goatee or soul patch with my mustache, but I never just went without just a mustache. All right, that looks good. And I'm just gonna feel about here and just clean up the areas I missed. Add a little bit of water in there. And just to show you what you can do with this, you don't really need a whole lot, like I was saying before. You can pretty much rebuild a lather with the little bit that I put in there. And you can build it just as thick as the very first lather you put on for your first pass. But I'm not going to go into that. I just wanted to kind of show you real quick just how this soap will rebuild. Yeah, so for a 7th use on this feather blade, I still feel like I can get another shave out of it. Still going nice and strong. I typically don't like feather blades. I haven't liked them in any razor I've used, but I like them in this razor. It's been the best blade I've used in it so far. So feather and the Parker 63C for me are it's just a good razor and blade combination. All right, that's gonna do it. That's gonna do it. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna clean up the sink, clean up my gear, and I'll see you guys for post shave. Hello guys, welcome back to the post shave in 1 second. While I was cleaning up, I splashed some witch hazel on my face and let it dry. For post shave today, I'm gonna go with Clubman Musk. I haven't used this stuff in a while. This stuff has just been sitting on my shelf. So, why not? Doesn't exactly match the scent, but I think it complements it okay. Aftershave Balm today is going to be something I picked up at Target recently. This is the Bevel Aftershave Balm. I picked it up, or I saw it when I picked up my razor, the Bevel razor, and went ahead and just picked up some of this to try it out. And it's kind of got like a fruity type scent to it, slightly mentholated. I've never used it before, so we'll see how it reacts with my skin. I like the feel of it. It's kind of a real thick Aftershave Balm. It's not like a runny Aftershave Balm like the Nivea, but it feels good. Okay, what I went with today was my Yaqi mixed thread handle brusher, 24mm synthetic tuxedo knot. Soap today was Kaw Fougere Bouquet, and this was the soap for the week. I used it for every shave, and I think I'm going to start doing that. I think I'm going to pick a soap, use it all week long, and try out my different brushes, and use a razor for a week too, instead of a month. You know, use a razor for a week and see what blades work and don't work in them. I think that's what I'm going to start doing for each shave. And the razor today was my Parker 63C, and this is the last time I'm going to be using it for a little while to conclude my open comb razor October. I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing that razor, so to be honest with you, I'm tired of using it. I'm ready to move on and use other razors and stuff again. I'm ready to try different things. Post-shave was Clubman Musk and the Bevel Post-shave Balm here. Oh, and theirs while I was cleaning everything up. And with that, that'll conclude today's shave, and I hope you guys all have a great week ahead and stay healthy. Take care. See you again soon for other shave videos.